Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. From the purest place on this earth and from the most beloved piece of earth to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, I send you my salam. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala invite you all to His house, Ya Rabbi Ameen. I would like to invite you also to a new course that Jannah Institute is offering in February, inshallah, in about a month. And this one is about Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam. But this one is not about the seerah. Rather, it's actually something that we all are focused on these days. Is how do we live healthy? What should we eat? What should we not eat? What medication we take? Should we take any medications? Basically, what I'm going to be sharing with you, inshallah, by Allah's grace, is prophetic medicine. What did he use? What did he not use? Has he ever been sick? Has he used any medication? And alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen, by his grace, it's going to be a 4 weeks course, 1.5 hours a week. And I'm sure every one of you can spare an hour and a half a week to learn about the best of the creation, alayhi salatu wasalam, to teach us how to live our life healthier regarding medicine, regarding sickness, and follow the principle that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent him with, which is يُحِلُّ لَكُمُ الطَّيِّبَاتِ وَيُحَرِّمُ عَلَيْكُمُ الْخَبَائِثِ. Everything that he made lawful is good for me and you, and everything he made unlawful is actually harmful. So join me inshallah, and would love to see you all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.